At OPHARDT Hygiene, we are committed to offering innovative, connected solutions that improve hand hygiene by combining reliable data with software applications. Welcome to the washroom of the future. How can you guarantee guest satisfaction while reconciling the demands of hand hygiene regulations, a lack of time and qualified personnel? OPHART's Kanary software and the new generation of intelligent dispensers of the SanTRAL Plus series help you elevate the washroom experience for your guests, while also improving maintenance and cleaning efficiencies. With data collected by the Kanary software, facility management can organize cleaning teams in a much more targeted manner and only deploy when necessary. Built-in sensors detect when a dispenser reaches a critical fill level and automatically send this data to our Kanary cloud. Using an app on a tablet or smartphone, facility management and cleaning staff are automatically assigned tasks based on a dispenser fill levels and can plan routes according. Our open refill dispenser system offers you maximum flexibility in the choice of filling good and enables significant cost savings. We recently launched the series with 3 standards and 3 premium powder-coated colors that are sure to impress. Soon the dispensers will be made in cartridge format as well. The new intelligent stainless steel SanTRAL Plus series meets all requirements of a washroom of the future. Cost reduction through optimized refill cycles, increase productivity in facility management, increase customer satisfaction through product availability. Fill level monitoring helps fight the pandemic. Are you interested? Feel free to contact us.